Howdy folks, welcome back to the workshop. So today we got a pretty fun project. We are working on a pair of matching hunting knives just in time for deer season. So these are going to be forged from 5160 and have stabilized maple handle scales and brass hardware. So it should be a pretty fun project. Let's get right into it. So we're out here on a new day today because I had to do an emergency rehandling on my hammer. The last time I did it was a few years ago, before I actually knew how to mount hammers properly. So the head popped off during filming. I don't know if I got the footage. But yeah, so put on a nice new hickory handle, burnt the tops and bottoms just for aesthetics. This one fits a lot nicer in the handle because that last one was just a stock hammer handle from Menards, I think it was. So this one I got all shaved down. It's all flattened on the sides like it should be. It's really easy to find the face of the hammer, and the handle is quite a bit longer too, because that's one complaint I had about that last one, is wasn't able to get as much of a good swing in there. So time to break it in, see if it works good. So yeah. So here's one of the knives all finished up. Get a nice close look at it. Turned out very, very nice. I'm extremely happy with it. They're very sharp. Got a really nice finish to them. The engraving turned out really nice. Everything polished up and just looks really, really good. It's got a nice thick spine. I think it's pretty close to 4.5 millimeters, so it should be able to stand to a lot of abuse. These are definitely lookers for sure. So I also got a couple of custom sheaths made from them. They all match and everything. So I presume that the customer will be very happy because this is supposed to be a matching set for 2 of his sons. So yeah, all in all, very happy with the way it turned out. So I just want to thank you folks so much for taking the time to watch this video. It means a whole lot. It makes the process of making the videos worth it. As you can see lately, gained quite a few subscribers, so that's really appreciated. So if you folks also want to support other stuff that we're doing, the link to our website and Instagram are down in the description. So I just want to close off with the 2 greatest commandments that Jesus Christ left for us, which is love the Lord your God with all your heart, mind, soul, and strength, and love others as yourself. God bless.